Here we go again. It is. I want to see if that is still there. And yes, it is. It's still there. I'm in another room. It is, what, 24th, maybe? 23rd, 24th, I don't even know. He's sitting up there. Room's a mess. I didn't clean. Because with this ice and snow and rain, my bones are killing me. My hands and my feet. And so I don't get to clean thoroughly like I want to. But look at this. Oh my goodness. I had a feeling that it was going to be... God, they're gigantic. I had a feeling. That is probably another reason I can't sleep. Maybe not. I don't know. Can't sleep though. And he's sitting up there watching. That's big. We are just busy. Busy. I knew it'd be crazy in here. I had a feeling. Because I haven't been in here all day. So I haven't looked. And that, 1 minute 52 seconds. That was cool. They are going like straight up. The ice, snow, rain, and look at this, busy. Hope I could sleep at some point. Oh my God, where are they coming from? The bed? I love beauties. There's so many. Beautiful orbs. Where are you? No. The floor is so cold. My feet have been numb all day. This is some wicked weather. I keep saying that, but it's still March, and it is Massachusetts. Who am I kidding? Non-stop. Oh my God, hello beauty. Oh, that pink is beautiful. 3 minutes and what, 18 seconds? I'm about to see if there's a face on that one. That was beautiful. That was pure pink. Different than all the rest. Got a feeling that's my sister. Are you Linda? Coming right up to me saying hello? I would like to hook this up to the TV and see if I can watch this as I'm recording on the TV. I'm sure I can. Just don't feel like struggling with it right now. Look at that. How you doing up there, Pepper? And there's our friend. Still there? Oh. Maybe I should just let that play on the tripod. Just put it in there, and that was beautiful. 1 minute, what, 49 seconds? Let's see what we could do. Or did I not? Gotta figure out now which way I want to point this. Did I see most of them coming from here? I'd like to think that they just want to come to the light, but I don't know. There we go. Yeah. Blue, hello blue. Okay. Where you go? Where did they go? Put the cat. I bet you they're in the hallway. Down the hall, they're always in the hallway. You know, now I have it all nice on the tripod, and it's not the lizard. Oh boy. There we go. Okay. Hello. No. Thank you. Okay. That was the most beautiful pink. I'm gonna try to post that disc and I know, guys. No, boy. It's gonna be crazy time in here. Here we go. Here we go. I gotta do dishes. I gotta clean. I have a 24-year-old daughter. I think she could. This is all hers, by the way. Her friends come over and sleep over, and then I don't clean. My fault for what? Not enforcing it. What am I gonna do? Going nuts. Oh, Kitty's going crazy. Love this song. What you doing down there, sir? Oh, that one, it moved up now. Alright, almost 10 minutes. I am going to post this. I am going to find that pink one that was absolutely outstanding. And then I'm going to record some more. And what you could see with this. Oh, it moved again. You can see it. You have to really look, but you can see it right there. One more time. Look at that. I guess I'm pink. And yes, I'm the orb. What was that? 913. That was interesting. And of course, I'm the magnet because there's always something stuck to me. Oh. Crazy. And beautiful. And there you have it. There's something right there. I bet you that moved again. Look at that. Oh, thanks for watching. Peace, love, and light to everybody, everywhere. Yellow. Oh, it was gold. 9:56. And we are at 10 minutes. Peace.